Welcome back. If you're just joining us, we've been discussing the 10 steps to building healthy habits and breaking bad ones. In this second part, we'll cover the final 5 tips that will help you achieve your goals and build the healthy habits you desire. So far, we've covered some essential steps like finding your why, setting smart goals, making a plan, starting small, and acknowledging setbacks. These are all fundamental pillars of building healthy habits and breaking bad ones, and we hope that you've already found them helpful. Now, in this second part, we're going to dive into the remaining tips that will help you take your habits to the next level. Let's jump right in and discover the final 5 steps to building healthy habits and breaking bad ones. Number 6, create a support system. Having people around you who share similar goals or who have already achieved the habits you want to build can be incredibly motivating and inspiring. Your support system can come in many forms, including friends, family members, colleagues, or even a professional coach or mentor. These people can provide guidance, accountability, and encouragement to help you stay on track and overcome obstacles. When you're surrounded by people who believe in you and your ability to succeed, you'll be more likely to stay motivated and committed to your goals, even when things get tough. They can also celebrate your successes and help you stay positive when you experience setbacks. Having a support system is especially crucial when building healthy habits or breaking bad ones that involve significant lifestyle changes. These changes can be challenging, and having someone to lean on can make all the difference in your success. Number 7, track your progress. There are many ways to track your progress, from using a journal to a habit tracking app, or even a simple calendar. The important thing is to choose a method that works best for you and that you'll stick with over time. It allows you to see tangible evidence of your progress and helps you stay motivated by celebrating your successes. When you track your progress, you'll be able to see patterns and trends, which can help you adjust your approach if necessary. For example, if you notice that you're consistently struggling with a particular habit, you might want to adjust your strategy to make it more manageable. Tracking your progress can also help you stay accountable to yourself. When you see your progress in black and white, you're less likely to give up on your goals. Plus, it's rewarding to see how far you've come and to celebrate each milestone along the way. Number 8, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is an essential tool for building healthy habits. It involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, you can identify triggers that lead to unhealthy habits and learn to replace them with more positive behaviors. This can help you stay focused on your goals and make intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and body scan practices. These techniques can help you tune into your body and mind and develop a greater sense of self-awareness. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to identify areas where you can improve and make positive changes. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can help you stay present and focused on your goals, even in the face of challenges or distractions. Whether you take a few minutes each day to meditate or practice deep breathing exercises, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for building healthy habits and breaking bad ones. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your life? Hey, uninterrupted learners, we've reached the midpoint of this video, and I have another bonus step for you. To ensure that you don't miss out on a crucial step to forming healthy habits and breaking bad ones, be sure to stay until the end. It would be such a shame if you left before experiencing this additional advice, so let's keep moving forward with the rest of our steps. Number 9, find healthy replacements. Instead of simply trying to eliminate a bad habit, focus on replacing it with a healthy one that satisfies the same need. An example could be if you're trying to quit smoking, going for a walk or engaging in a different physical activity can help satisfy the craving for a cigarette. Finding a replacement that you enjoy and that meets the same need can make it easier to stick to your healthy habits over the long term. With a little creativity and exploration, you can find healthy replacements that work for you and help you build a healthier lifestyle. Finding healthy replacements doesn't necessarily mean giving up the satisfaction you get from your bad habit. It's about finding alternative behaviors that can satisfy the same need or desire in a healthier way. The key is to find healthy replacements that you enjoy, and that are realistic for you to incorporate into your daily routine. This might involve some trial and error as you experiment with different activities and behaviors to find what works best for you. But with persistence and an open mind, you can find healthy replacements that help you build the healthy habits you want and break the cycle of unhealthy ones. Number 10. Be patient. It's important to remember that change doesn't happen overnight, and it's normal to experience setbacks along the way. Be kind to yourself and trust the process. Celebrate small wins and focus on progress rather than perfection. Building healthy habits involves rewiring your brain and developing new patterns of behavior. This can be a challenging process, but it's important to remember that every small step you take toward your goal is a step in the right direction. By being patient with yourself, you'll be better able to stay motivated and committed to your goals, even when progress may feel slow. Remember that building healthy habits is a lifelong journey, and setbacks are simply opportunities to learn and grow. Stay positive and keep moving forward, and eventually you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. Patience is key when it comes to building healthy habits and breaking bad ones. Thank you for sticking around until the end of this video. As a token of our appreciation, we have a bonus step that we promised you. Bonus number 2. Keep your goals visible. Keeping your goals visible is a powerful way to stay motivated and focused on your journey toward building healthy habits. When you write down your goals and place them in a visible location, such as on your refrigerator, bathroom mirror, or computer screen, you are creating a constant reminder of what you are working towards. This simple action can help keep you accountable and inspire you to take the necessary steps to achieve your goals. Visualizing your goals can also help you stay connected to your why. Why did you decide to pursue these particular habits? What motivated you to make these changes? When you keep your goals visible, you can regularly reflect on your why and use it as a source of motivation during challenging times. Additionally, keeping your goals visible can help you adjust your plan as necessary. As you track your progress, you may find that some of your goals are too ambitious or not challenging enough. By having your goals visible, you can make adjustments and modifications to your plan to ensure that you are on the right track toward building healthy habits and breaking bad ones. Congratulations on reaching the end of our video. By implementing these 10 steps, you're well on your way to building healthy habits. We hope you found this information useful and that it inspires you to take action toward your goals. Remember, building healthy habits and breaking bad ones is a process that requires patience, perseverance, and self-reflection. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. By committing to these habits, you're investing in yourself and your future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on our latest content. We'll continue to provide you with valuable tips and insights to help you improve your life and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.